everyone. In this video we are going to find out domain and range of couple of functions. So before starting this video, or rather to find out domain and range, you should know three things. First thing, if the function is like 1 divided by x minus a. So for 1 divided by x minus a, we know that denominator cannot be equals to 0, so x minus a is not equals to 0, so x is not equals to a. So domain of this function can be any real number except that a, right? The second thing we need to remember, that is root over of x minus a. As we know, under root, to get any real number, it should be greater than equals to 0. So x minus a should be greater than equals to 0, or rather x greater than equals to a. So domain of this function belongs to a to infinity. A is in closed interval. A is in closed interval because x can take the value of a. Next one, the third case, that is 1 divided by root over of x minus a. Here x minus a is under root, so it has to be greater than equals to 0, and again it's there in the denominator. So we should have x minus a is only greater than 0, which implies x greater than a. Hence domain of the function will be a to infinity, where a is in open interval. So considering these three cases, first sum we are going to do, find domain and range of 1 divided by x square minus 4. So we know for domain x square minus 4 is not equals to 0, so x not equals to plus minus 2. So domain of this function will be any real number except plus minus 2. Now for this function, if you have to find out range, then y equals to 1 divided by x square minus 4 we will take. So can we write x square y minus 4y is equals to 1. So x square y is equals to 1 plus 4y. So x square is equals to 1 plus 4y divided by y. So as we know that for this one, y won't be equals to 0, correct? So range of this function, now range of this function will be any real number, range of this function will be any real number except 0. Is it fine? Because another case is that from there, from this one, can we write that 1 plus 4y divided by y is greater than equals to 0? Because we know that x square is always greater than equals to 0. So from here, if I just represent in this format, so when this will be greater than equals to 0, you can check the sign of quadratic expression. So from there, y is greater than equals to 0 and y is less than equals to minus 1 by 4. As it is greater than equals to 0, then y is greater than larger number, y is less than smaller number. But from this case, we know that y is not equals to 0. So this case will be y is greater than 0. So ultimately the range of the function, the final range of the function will be minus infinity to minus 1 by 4, where minus 1 by 4 included, union 0 to infinity. Is it fine? Next one, find the domain and range of 1 divided by x square plus 4. Now first, for domain x square plus 4 is not equals to 0. That means x square not equals to minus 4, which is not true for any real value of x, which is not true for any real x. We know that x square is always greater than equals to 0 for any positive square number. So x square 4 is always greater than equals to 4 if I add 4 both sides. So this cannot be equals to 0. So for domain of this function, that will be any real number, right? Now for range, if I take y equals to 1 divided by x square plus 4, and y equals to x square plus 4. Now if I'll cross multiply x square y plus 4y equals to 1, so x square is 1 minus 4y divided by y. So from here we write y is not equals to 0. That's the first case I should write. Next, as x square is greater than equals to 0 always, so can we write 1 minus 4y divided by y is greater than equals to 0. So from there can we write, if I multiply with a minus, so it will be less than equals to 0. Hence y minus 1 by 4 divided by y minus 0 should be less than equals to 0. As it is less than equals to 0, then the value of y should be in between this thing. But as y is not equals to 0, so ultimately range of the function will be 0 to this. So range of the function, we will write it as 0 to 1 divided by 4. This is open interval, this is closed interval. Is it fine? Next one, find the domain and range of 1 divided by 4 minus x square. Again I will write 4 minus x square not equals to 0. So from there I will get 4 minus x square. Next one, x square not equals to 4, x not equals to plus minus 2. So domain of the function will be belongs to any real number minus plus minus 2. Now for range, again I will take y equals to 1 divided by 4 minus x square. So 4y minus x square y is equals to 1. So 4y minus 1 equals to x square y. Hence 4y minus 1 divided by y is equals to x square. So as we know, x square is greater than equals to 0. So from there can we write this y minus 0 greater than equals to 0. So from here y will be greater than equals to larger number, or y is less than equals to smaller number, but again y is there in the denominator, so y cannot be equals to 0. So this thing will be only y less than 0, right? So range of the function will be minus infinity to 0 union 1 divided by 4 to infinity. Is it fine? It will always be in the open interval because no values of x and y in the variable cannot be equals to infinity. So now next video I am going to discuss domain and range for some more function. Thank you.